Hi garden friends, welcome to our garden. Today I want to introduce you to my little patio garden. I'll be repotting a plant. Let's get started. As I've mentioned in previous videos, the garden is Paul's garden, and I harvest and I do some filming out there, but this is my little garden on the patio. I enjoy potted plants. I enjoy either finding them, this one with the cone-shaped basket I found at an estate sale, and I really enjoy that plant. It's a donkey tail, it's called, and some of the plants have been with us for a really long time, like this one here. Others I have just started with a small little plant like that creeping Charlie down there on the bottom there. I know the geraniums, I like to propagate geraniums and other plants. Most of these can be easily propagated, and this one right here is the one I'll be working with today, a burro's tail. It has the rounded leaf on it, and it needs a bigger pot, so I'm going to work on that today. So I thought I'd just kind of walk you around. This creeping Charlie is sitting on a little step stool that I found on the street. I like the way that it kind of cascades down. I've got 2 pots of that, and I'm just going to kind of show all the different things. I like to find things at the thrift store, like these little metal, I'm not sure what they're called. Under the kitchen window here, I have my pots in these metal square containers and little plants. I just love all these little plants and love starting baby plants. When I see a plant I like, asking for a little cutting from a friend, and kind of brings back memories as well. Here are some more hanging succulents. I also have some Christmas cactus, a few Christmas cactuses. This one is from my mother-in-law. It's been around a long time, and it blooms beautifully in December and January. There is a blueberry bush over there, a lime tree on the patio here that produces limes quite frequently, and there's an empty pot, and you can bet that I'll be thinking about what to put in that empty pot. Here's a beautiful sort of a creeping Charlie with that purple leaf, and then this other purple plant, I don't remember the name of it, I stuck in there with that. That's from a friend that I took a little cutting from her house, and these plants just give me a lot of pleasure. Today I want to take my burro's tail and put it in a larger pot. It has really gone to town in this little tiny pot, and what I do is just get some newspaper out as a work surface and my potting mix, and I will be putting a little bit of potting mix, maybe 2/3. I'll fill that larger pot with that mix, and then I'm going to try to carefully take out my plant out of the smaller pot and put it in the larger pot. Now, since some of these branches are just so long, I'm going to break a couple off of there, and I'll just pinch it off. I'll take off a few leaves and I'll stick it into the empty area in the pot. And the last thing I need to do is water it, and we're good to go. Thank you for joining me here in my patio garden. We will see you next time.